Hey everyone, welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's DelfStack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix bad connection to Minecraft server. Let's get into it. First, check your internet box. The first step is to look at the small box in your house that gives you your internet signal. Sometimes this box gets tired and needs a quick break to start working well again. Go to your internet box, pull out the power cord, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait for all the little lights on the front of the box to turn green or stay steady before you try to play. Because a fresh start for your box can clear out any small errors that were slowing you down. You have to do this so that the path between your computer and the game world is clean and fast. Without this step, your internet might stay slow no matter what you change inside the game. Next, move closer to the signal. You need to make sure your computer or console can actually hear the signal coming from your internet box. If you are too far away, the message gets lost. Move your computer or your seat closer to where the internet box is sitting. If you can, use a long cord to plug your computer directly into the box instead of using the air signal, because walls and doors can block your internet signal and make the game jumpy. By moving closer, you are making the signal much stronger and more reliable. It ensures the game gets the information it needs right away without any delays. Next, pick a server near you. Now you want to make sure you are trying to play on a game world that is not too far away across the world. Look at the list of game worlds and pick one that is in the same part of the world as you. Check the little green bars next to the server name. You want to see as many green bars as possible, because the further away a server is, the longer it takes for your clicks to reach it. By picking a closer world, your actions will happen instantly in the game. And that's it. To fix a bad connection to Minecraft server, you must first restart your internet box. Then, you move closer to the signal to make it stronger. Next, you pick a server with many green bars that is close to your home. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.